Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KIKAN here with another video. I want to thank you so much for joining me. If you're watching this video, I really appreciate your support. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. But let's just talk about what we came here to talk about. Today, we're doing an iPhone 12 Pro unboxing. Now, in my previous videos, I did mention that I was a bit disappointed with the direction Google took, discontinuing the Google Pixel 4 XL or just the Pixel 4 in general, going to more of a mid-range type of setting and not offering premium line phones anymore. I thought I'm gonna go ahead and sell my Pixel 4 and try something new. So it was either OnePlus, Samsung, which would be the old because I came from Samsung, or iOS 14. Why not try the iPhone? Just go ahead and switch. That's what I did. I have it in my hands, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the unboxing. And here it is. All right, so the box is way smaller than what I'm used to, but that's okay. Apple has its reasons. Let's go ahead and reveal the Ocean Master, Pacific Rim, no, I don't remember. It's the blue color. It's just blue. Looks really nice. Taking off the screen protector real quick. Went slow thinking it would make some sort of sound, but it didn't. So let's just go ahead and turn the phone on. While I'm turning it on, I do want to compare it to my Pixel 4 XL. Although it's way smaller in the hand, the screen itself is not that much smaller because the Pixel 4 has a big forehead and chin. Now in the box you do get a USB-C to Lightning port cable, and you also do get a packet that has an Apple sticker, the instruction manual, and a SIM card ejector tool. Now I'm sure that manual lists somewhere that you need to buy a $20 charging brick from Apple. I did also get the MagSafe case. It is the clear one. I do like to show off the color of the phone. I picked the blue one. I bought the blue one. Why not show it off? When you put the case on, it does recognize what type of case you put on, so it does show, you don't see it in the video, but it does show a circle showing that you put a case on, and different accessories will show different things. I did also get the MagSafe charger. I was excited to use this. I was a little disappointed with the length of the cable, but that's because I've spoiled myself by using the MacBook cable, which is like 6 feet instead of these 3 feet. The magnet itself is strong enough where it hangs. I wouldn't necessarily do that, but definitely makes it easier to charge the phone at night when you can't see where you're plugging it, and you can use it while using the phone. Now, I also had to get the $20 charging brick. It's a 20-watt charging brick, which will allow for me to do fast charging, but I'm already experiencing the Apple tax. So that is the unboxing. I have the phone all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it in the coming days and see what I think. I'll try to make some videos setting it up, maybe moving over from Android. I use a Samsung Galaxy Watch. I use Google Pixel earbuds, so I might also make a video on some of my thoughts on that and how it works. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Did you get an iPhone? Did you go for the 12 or the Pro? How are you liking it? What did you switch from? And let me know if you want to know anything about the phone that I should make any videos on that you're curious about. I am very excited to try this phone out and just get to see some of the differences, experience a whole new ecosystem. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button next to the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.